Hello guys, activating Bitdefender Password Manager enhances your online security by securely storing and autofilling your passwords. Here's how to activate it on your devices. First, ensure that you have an active Bitdefender subscription that includes Password Manager. You can check this by logging into your Bitdefender Central account and navigating to the My Subscription section. If you don't have a subscription, you can purchase Bitdefender Password Manager or start a free trial. After this, log into your Bitdefender Central account, navigate to My Devices section and click the plus Add Device button. Select Bitdefender Password Manager and follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the application. On Android, you'll have to open a web browser on your device and visit centralbitdefender.com. Then sign into your Bitdefender Central account. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner, that is three-lined icon, and select Password Manager. Tap Install to be redirected to Google Play Store and tap Install again to download and install the app. Now, open the Bitdefender Password Manager app, log in using your Bitdefender Central account credentials and set a strong master password. You will receive a 24-digit recovery key. Copy and store this recovery key in a safe place. It's the only way to access your data if you forget your master password. Complete the setup by following the on-screen instructions and it will be done. Now, you can begin adding your accounts to the Password Manager. Use the autofill feature to automatically fill in your credentials on websites and apps and regularly update your password and enable 2FA where possible for added security. So by following these steps, you can activate and start using Bitdefender Password Manager to securely manage your passwords across devices. Regularly updating your passwords and enabling 2FA can further enhance your online security. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.